And you're probably wondering, what the heck is that?
What are you working with? SCT, Brownell's ported slide.
That dot on the target, and as long as you don't move your pistol, you will shoot where that dot is. Welcome back. Double Stack 1911 here. Today, yesterday, my Staccato plate came in. So we're going to install the Holosun 507C-X3 on my Staccato C4X today. So I did kind of open this a little bit, just kind of peek in there. But I'm not really reading any directions. I have seen a few videos. So we're just going to go ahead and get started, right? So what I'm going to do is first I'll unbox the optic plate so you guys can see how that comes. Comes in a nice little box. Open it up. And inside the plate, I think it's called a spacer, but whatever. Looks like this. I should have ordered the RMR. It says RMR on it. So should be good there, right? Let's set this to the side a little bit and take out the optic. This thing is punching. There we go. Here we go. Put it over there. Take the lid off. All right, it's usual if you guys are used to Holosun optics. I am really big on trying to do American nowadays. So I know that Holosun is not American. I would like for you guys to like, subscribe, and comment on what American optics do you think are comparable to the Holosuns for my next purchase. American owned, American manufactured is what I'm looking for. So let me know, right? Holosun card there. Instruction guide. See all the instructions there. I do have a couple of Vortex. I'm not sure if Vortex is an American company. I have to look into that. But if it is, maybe I'll just start doing all Vortex. But I like solar on the optics. And if they don't have solar, then a side battery. So there we go. That's how it is in the box. So your typical tool. And we have the optic. Looks nice there. I think it's not on. Yep, it is. It is on. All right. Yeah, anyway, you get it. And some screws. Some writing on there. I was just talking about the screw sizes. All right, so we'll set that over there. And now, and by the way, this is unloaded. Don't have any ammo near me. Got to take off this plate. So let's see what we could do here. Where does this fit? It does not fit. So way too small. my Staccato box did come with a lot of, it came with a lot of, not a lot, but little tools. I should have had them with me now. I did watch a few videos. I did see that the plunger spring is right underneath this thing, so I gotta make sure I don't lose it. And I guess the reason why they're calling this a plate is because you just put it on there and then you tighten it down. Like the plate gets tightened down by the optic. So I don't think this spring is going to go flying, but I'm trying to take it off a little bit slow. Yeah, so you can see there, here's the spring that we're talking about. And you see there's a notch in this, couple of notches. All right, so that one notch will line up right there. And then this just set right on top, like that. And it looks like it might be already zeroed if I don't mess it up. You see there? Looks like I might be right on the money. So, I don't know which screw I should use. So as before, what I like to do is screw them in, see what works. Okay, but also I like to put a little bit of Loctite just on the bottom of the plate. It should do it. There we go. That might be way too small, maybe. Yeah, I don't like that that's only got like a couple of turns. The other screws a little bit. Looks like the other screws are not much longer. see, can I get a couple more twists in there? I think I can. Oh, it's going some more. Or it's not. Huh. Interesting. What do you? Can the that is a no-go as well. Hmm. Gotta get that out of there. There we go. Let's see, when I put this back in, let's see how far it goes through. You can see it's not very much. It's barely going past the see. And I think, yeah, the problem there is that the old plate was using different holes. Let's just see if this is even meant to fit. Oops. Yeah, I think it can go. And it looks like there should be enough room with the optic. So I don't know. But from this angle, looks like maybe just not enough. Try these other screws. I have heard about people putting the optic on and the optic goes flying, and I'm beginning to think that that's probably because they're using these screws much longer. They probably put in the wrong screws. That's what I'm thinking. Should have put on my readers. Let me go a little bit back so I can see a little bit better. There we go. As you can see, it has the blue Loctite on here, but I don't think the blue Loctite is going to hit down far enough. There we go. All right. Seems on there pretty good. I think it looks nice as well. All right. See if we can get the dot on there for you guys. There it is. Yeah, it looks spot on. I'll see. I'm going to, oh no, it's not spot on. Looks like it's up to the right a little bit. Either way, we'll look at that. Could be up because of that plate. See a little bit of light between the plate. I don't know if I should see that. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and take the screws out, put on some Loctite, and that's what you guys can see it there. Looks nice. This is what I want to carry. So thanks, and have a great double stack day.